Hello everyone and welcome to Outdoor Visuals. I'm back out in the woods to do some more solo camping in my hammock, so stay tuned. Now, because we had a lot of rain the last couple of days, I'm allowed to make fire again in the woods. So I will be cooking on the fire, I will be cooking coffee and these things on the fire. So that will be super nice. Now I was fiddling around with the angle on the hammock and the length of the straps of the hammock. I feel that these straps that comes with this hammock, this is a DD frontline hammock. I feel that this strap's a little bit too short. I would like them to be longer. There is now 16 steps between the trees, and I could just barely tie it on the other side of the tree. But maybe you have some tips. If you have, leave them in the comments, and then I will check it out, because it would be nice to have also a faster method to put up the hammock. So any tips at all are very, very welcome. But anyway, it's up now and it's ready for sleep. I didn't put my things, so I can turn it around and then I can relax there. I will now start a fire. I will make a fireplace ready and then I will start a fire. This time I brought some ingredients to cook me up some nice dinner. We'll be doing that now because I'm rather hungry and it needs to be done on a campfire, so it takes a little more time, plus recording like these things. So I will be cooking some food and then I will just relax, I think, in the hammock a little before bedtime. Just having a good time here, relaxing, enjoying the outdoors. So here's the dinner. Tortellini in a cream sauce with mushrooms and with bacon, which is always a success. So with that, we're ready to get started with the cooking. First, I will start a fire. No cooking without fire, right? And after, I will start the cooking. Time for cooking. done. I didn't eat it yet. It's right there. I will show you in a second. It's getting rather dark now. I don't have so much daylight left, so I will just eat and then have some coffee, relax a little, and then just hit the sack. Just letting the fire die out. You can see not much left of it. Slowly going out. I don't need it anymore. It's pretty warm. It was pretty warm cooking. I was lazy this time. I should have made a tripod to cook on, but I didn't. I should have done that because it was a little difficult cooking in this heat. I had some problems with stabilizing the pot on the fire. I should definitely have made a tripod, but I didn't, so lesson to next time. Anyway, the food, it's here. Let's take a look. Whoa. It looks nice. It was smelling nice. And I'm ready to eat it now. I don't think I will be vlogging anymore today because I'm running out of light, but I will vlog again tomorrow. So until tomorrow, see you. Good morning. So it's the next day. I already had my coffee. It was nice. I made the mistake not to save any wood yesterday, so I had to saw and prepare some firewood, but it was pretty fast. Coffee was made and I had it. I slept pretty okay, but around 3 or something like that, some big machine started to work. I think it was picking up logs that they have been chopping down, and it was at 3 o'clock in the morning. I could see among the trees, I could see the yellow turn light, and I could just hear it was so loud, like I was worrying about it. It was coming tumbling down all the trees and into my hammock, but it didn't. But 1 hour it spent picking up the logs. So yesterday evening, just when I tucked myself in the hammock, I heard some sound over by the leaves. And then I looked, and there came a small deer running out of the forest, of the bushes. I could see it was not alone. And then I looked, and there was a big deer. The head was exactly behind a tree, but on each side of the tree I could see antlers sticking out, huge antlers. It was a pretty big deer, and it was a pack of 10 maybe deer that just came running in the forest. Just pretty amazing, just lying there in the hammock. That's the great thing about a hammock. I'm behind the mosquito net. In a tent I would not have seen anything because, yeah, I'm all closed. But in the hammock I can see out, so it was pretty amazing. But apart from that, I slept well. So now I will just pack down and just go home. Yeah, that was all what I had for you in this video. Please subscribe for more outdoor visuals and give this video a like. I will see you in the next video. Take care.